Good morning, we're here down at Benny Halt. It is a gorgeously crisp autumnal morning, one of my favourite times of year, and it always means that we're getting into our winter maintenance period. I'm delighted because this winter we've got so many exciting things and projects underway and in the pipeline, and we're looking forward to being able to bring you along for the ride as well. So, we're getting underway straight off this winter with the refurbishment of one of our flatbed wagons. It may look familiar to the enthusiast because it used to actually be a passenger coach, and back in 2018 we converted it to a flatbed wagon. The boys are busy putting a new steel deck and checking it over and making sure it's going to be fit and strong, ready to carry loads for the winter. We've also got some work going on the Newlyn Downs branch line because Eric left us earlier this month to go up the M5 to Ross-on-Wye to Alan Keefe. Eric's going to be coming back sporting a nice shiny coat of paint and having had some attention to the bottom end, including new wheel sets, axle boxes and a few other bits and pieces to make it in tip-top condition for 2025. On the Lakeside Railway, Victoria left alongside Eric to go and have similar treatment. We're going to be putting brand new power bogies on there this winter, making her super strong and super reliable. And of course, she'll also get a coat of paint as well. So join us over the course of this winter. It's really exciting time. Of course, aside from all of that work, we're getting ready for our Christmas trains, which start on the 30th. And we look forward to seeing you on our next video, where we'll be showing you some more exciting updates of the winter.